Hello everyone, this is Doug, and this is a quick video on how to use Google Sheets to make a graph with the best fit line and to put the equation on it. So I just have two different columns here, right, for your X and your Y axis. This could be anything you want. This could be grams and milliliters. If you're trying to find density, it can be whatever two things you want. So you're just going to make two columns in Google Sheets. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over here and click on Insert Chart. And right now it doesn't have any data. But the chart type you're going to want is a scatter plot. So I just want that. And for the data range, it says E7, but I'm just going to click on this and select my data range has to be all of those, right? Those are the numbers that I inputted earlier. Just click OK. And there it goes. It gave me a whole bunch of dots on my chart. So I've got my scatter plot. Now I want to see this a little bit more, so I'm going to customize it. And I'm going to do things like, I don't like that this dot is kind of stuck in this little corner, so I'm going to change the horizontal axis and make its maximum a little bit bigger. If you don't put anything, it'll just have the largest value there, so like 12. I want it to go a little further, so I'll say 15. So that extended it out. And I'm going to do the same thing for the vertical axis. Instead of it stopping at 40, I'm going to have it stop at 45. And again, this is just so I can kind of see the data a little bit better. That's really all. So I can see all the data. That looks great. And then for my series, which is my data, the series that I'm looking at, I only have one series on this graph. What you're going to do is you're going to go down here and click on Trendline. We want a trend line. And that's just going to automatically calculate the best fit line. There's all these different types, exponential, polynomial. We just want linear. We just want a linear trend line for a lot of things that we're going to do. And the last thing that I need here is data labels. I don't need data labels. I just want the trend line. And then for the actual label itself, I want to use the equation. I want to see the equation that it calculated. So I have my rise over run and my y-intercept, right? So my mx plus b. And once I have all of that, I'm good to go. If you want to get fancier here, you can go back in, click on edit the chart,